Number 1. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. It's the substance that the nightmares are made of. A gaping, burning gap tearing a hole in the earth. The door to hell opened in 1971. Engineers were drilling a natural gas ground in the northern Turkmenistan desert when a piece collapsed into an underground cavern. It was said burning to prevent gases from spreading and still burning decades later on. Hello everyone, Surya here. Welcome back to another episode of Wall of Wisdom. Just to be clear, in this episode I'm going to explain about top 15 most mysterious places on the earth. Number 2. Easter Island Heads, Chile. It was Rap Nui people who crafted thousand strange stone giants known as Moi about 900 years ago. But no one actually knows how they managed to move the 40-foot tall statues. A common theory that the ancient Polynesians used these stones as a platforms and locate them to mark the freshwater sources. The statue bodies are buried to leave only the heads exposed. Number 3. Teotihuacan, Mexico. No one knows who built or initially lived in the huge and compound pyramid city, believed to have left around 1400 years ago. This site, layering around 8 square miles, was later a pilgrimage site for the Aztecs, who gave the name of Teotihuacan. Leftovers of apartment-like buildings states around 1 lakh people lived here and worshipped at temples associated by large avenue of dead. Number 4. Lake Hillier, Australia. Lake Hillier, also known as the bubblegum colored lake. From the above it appears unusual with the nearby blue of the Pacific. Lake Hillier is entirely strange. Its color is still something of a mystery. But the most common accepted theories rely on the lake's high salinity. Number 5. Pine Gap, Australia. Oz, a place which is similar to Area 51. This satellite surveillance foundation in the middle of the outbreak opened in 1970s as a joint procedure between the US and Australia governments. The Cold War spy faculty was initially masked as a space research faculty. Misinformation that only fueled the current conspiracy theories about the alien sites and alarming experiments. Number 6. Hoia Baciu Forest, Romania. Pretty much any forest can feel weird when there is no one else around and the trees are stuck with fog. But the Hoia Baciu dials up the weirdness with curved trees that twist and turn as if the eyes covered in dance. Legends tell of the alien encounters and people disappearance in the woods. And some says it's a clear copy of Bermuda Triangle of Romania. The largest mystery of all is the clearing, a central area where nothing grows and no one knows why. Number 7. Racetrack Playa, California, USA. Is it some mysterious magnetic force that causes rocks to move smoothly across the loopy dry lake bed in California Death Valley? Or the hidden hands of some superior power? Neither, it seems, has the scientists solved the mystery in 2013, discovering the boulders are moved by the wind when the earth is frozen. It's still a hauntingly attractive and wonderfully odd place. Number 8. Nazca Lines, Peru. Approximately 300 figures from the spider to the hummingbird are carved into the sands in the southern Peruvian desert, with some shapes stretching more than 5 miles. The pre-Columbian geoglyphs, which covered around 200 miles. These can be viewed from the outer space and considered as a huge calendar. Now the most trendy theory is that they mark the locations of rituals neighboring water and crops, even though the truth remains mysterious. Number 9. Devil's Bridge, Germany. Devil's Bridge is so pretty it could perhaps more suitably called a fairy tale bridge. But its name, Devil's Bridge, comes from a supernatural relations. Forms a perfect circle with its watery reflection. A smart trick of engineering that some sees as unearthly. Number 10. Stonehenge, England. This circle of rocks has one of the UK's most well-known and mysterious sites, with historians and scientists puzzled as to how the builders transported the standing stones 5000 years ago. In 2019, Newcastle University students may have solved the mystery when they revealed that the humans, not aliens, may have dragged the rock in place using sledges lubricated with pig fat. Number 11. Recharge Structure, Mauritania. Astronauts have been examining the recharge structure since humans first entered space, which can be viewed from the International Space Station, which is 30 miles wide, resemble to a bull's eye or snail's shell. Geography is believed to have been created when an asteroid crashed, but now it was once thought to be a dome, which is deteriorating over time. Number 12. Bermuda Triangle. Covering approximately 5 lakh square miles between Bermuda, Miami in Florida and Rico, has seen more than 20 planes and 50 ship crashes with no obvious reason, and even some disappeared completely. Theories ranges from suggestion and supernatural activities to more reasonable hypotheses that it's behind the magnetic compass discrepancies or rogue waves. Number 13. Longyearbyen, Norway. It's illegal to be a body buried in Longyearbyen, Norway. The town's only graveyard closed more than 70 years ago because it is so freezing that the bodies in the past which buried have never decomposed, and some still hold the traces of influenza virus that caused a pandemic in 1918. Number 14. Falls, Antarctica. Antarctica is made up of lot of ice in the form of glaciers and icebergs. In Antarctica there is a place without sunlight and oxygen. There is a waterfall named Falls. It is also very rich in iron and sodium. When the water is finally uncovered to air, as it is passes out of the glaciers, it rusts, coloring the water to blood red, making it look like the glacier is bleeding. Number 15. Moraki Boulders, New Zealand. Ancient Maori legend explain the boulders as a food containers washed ashore from the remains of the canoe that brings the ancestor to the New Zealand South Island. One more theory suggests that they are alien eggs. Geology says these formed in sediment on the seafloor about 65 million years ago. Sooner or later, choosing Kokohe Beach as their home. Here is a bonus fact for you. Number 16. Crooked Forest, Poland. Crooked Forest or Krzywillas is filled with approximately 400 pine trees, each with nearly identically curved in the base of its trunk. Their wonky appearance has sparked several theories, including that a snowfall or a gravitational pull morphed their form. Some says they were on purpose shaped with tools. None have been proven, which make these weirdly uniform canopies all the more fascinating. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notifications. Like, share and subscribe.